que yo voy a ser el número uno. El número uno, bebé.
A new day of collecting trash in the woods for every follower I have. Become a wood supporter and follow me. Help me clean the woods in your For You page once and for all. So much waste is laying around in our woods. We have to change something. Many of these materials, like plastic and glass, will last for hundreds and hundreds of years. Please think again next time before trashing this poison into our beautiful nature. We are already 50 wood supporters, so let's make it 100. Don't be shy and hit that follow button to become a wood supporter. See you next time.